Hi guys, I'm here with a don't if you do pours on glass. Now if you do pours on glass and you use silicone oil, you want to get that silicone oil off. What I usually do if I'm working on glass is I just make a mixture of Dawn and a little bit of water, and I spritz it on top of the glass with the paint, and I gently remove it. I do more patting than I do anything else, and it usually takes me about 4 times of spritzing and patting and making sure that I get it all off. Let me show you what not to do. This will work. This method that I'm going to show you that does not work on glass will work fine on canvases. Okay, so this is what happens if you dunk your glass in water. Again, you can do this on canvases. This is how I normally clean my canvases that have a pour on top of them with silicone. Is I will dunk them in water and Dawn dish detergent, but if you dunk the glass in, and this was a learning thing for me, because again I do this with my canvases, and I hadn't tried the method with my glass, and I thought, well, let me see. So this is a don't for the glass. Don't submerge it, because what's going to happen, and I'm going to go to a new area so you can see, and I'm hoping I can find one. Okay, right here. This has, I don't know that I can get it in there. This has bubbled, yeah, right in here. You can see it was not bubbled before. It is bubbled now, and that means that it's going to pull off. Now this is a great way to recycle your glass if you're not trying to save the acrylic skin. Usually I want to save the acrylic skin. So what you cannot do is submerge your glass with an acrylic pour on it to try to remove the silicone, because basically you're going to remove everything. This is just going to peel right off. This is the easiest I have ever removed a pour from glass. So submerging it, great for canvases, not good at all if your pour is on top of glass. So there's a don't for you. Bye guys.